Hi, Shopify store owner. I'm Ryan from sixads. How are you today? Now, as we grow, it's only natural for us to get more and more questions. So, as usual, I'm here to help you out. And our question for today is, does sixads work? Well, first of all, we have helped over 100,000 Shopify store owners run their high performing ads, and we do boast a rating of 4.5 stars with over 3,440 reviews on the Shopify App Store. Now, on top of that, we're always, and I mean always, improving our app. We're running beta tests, which may sometimes result in temporary issues, so please do forgive us for that. Now, if you ever experience those issues, please contact our 24/7 customer support team right away, and that way we can fix the issues ASAP. We love to hear your feedback, so please don't hesitate to let us know how we can improve. Cheers.